Guys, what's up? This is Aditi here. So today's video is going to be a jewelry haul from Myntra.com. It's one of my favorite shopping website, but then I only look for clothing there. I don't even look at any other sections in Myntra. But I found some 2-3 amazing jewelry pieces and I really couldn't resist myself. And the best part is it came in a sale of 70% off. And before we head in, if you're somebody watching me new, I'd be really glad if you could hit that subscribe button and become a part of this community. I'll be making a lot of online shopping, budget-friendly hauls, street-style videos, lookbook, beauty related and a lot of travel vlogs coming your way, so consider subscribing. The first piece of jewelry I picked from Myntra. This is such a cute thing available online and I just love the buy of it for a bracelet type where you can wear it on your arms, which is how it looks. The next jewelry that I picked that I found it was really cute is boho inspired jewelry. It's so gorgeous, the work is very detailed, the intricate detailing on it is so cute, and it has tassel thingy running on. A short necklace, it's so cute. It can be worn with any type of outfits to give out the boho-ish look. I really want to try a lot of bohemian look because I'm really inspired to try that out, which is not my original style. And the next cool looking necklace is this. So good. Oxidized metal color, which I totally like it, and the shapes of the dangles also is really cute, and none of this is so heavy. They are very lightweight. The next piece of jewelry, again I picked from the same section, is this completely boho inspired look. I thought of getting the stone in turquoise, but then I thought black will actually suit up with n number of outfits, so I just picked this up. I really love it. This came in a beautiful packaging like this. Everything came with a separate plastic box with the plastic covers and all that to keep it safe. So keeping it aside is not going to be really hard task because everything has its own packaging. None of it's going to get damaged or anything. Otherwise, it's very difficult to manage this because everything is dangly. They get easily tangled up, and to remove the tangles is such a pain. This video is just about a jewelry haul, but then I wanted to show one more piece which is totally away from this website. It's a clothing. I basically don't wear a lot of ethnic stuff, but then I found this top and I just couldn't resist it. Pink kurta. It's so good. I love the color combos of it. It's a dark pink and an orange combo. It's so gorgeous. I really cannot wait to try it. It's a single piece, it doesn't come as a set. So I got myself a pair of orange cotton palazzo, kind of heavy as well. None of this come in a set. I just mixed and matched it. So the kurta was separately for $450, which is again a great deal. It came in an offer of 70%, and the palazzo, I don't remember the price of it, but it was anyway less than 400. So these two clothing together is under $1,000. The entire set is, which I totally love. It's so cute. But these jewelry really inspired me, and they were like cheap as well. They're kind of really cheap, and I wanted to try a bohemian look, which I'll be doing very soon. Make sure to open the info box or the description box below to see other details. If you like this video, do share it with your friends. And it's a very teensy tiny haul. I wasn't planning on making this video at all, but since I got the pieces and it was really cute, I really wanted to share this with you. Come back on Tuesdays and Fridays to find me with a new video. Thank you so much for watching me. Bye.